सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ध्येय आईएएस चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
A week ahead of the 75th anniversary of Hiroshima being struck by the first atomic bomb to be used in a war, a district court in Hiroshima recognized survivors of the post-explosion Black Rain, who were outside a government-defined zone at the time of the event, as atomic bomb survivors. This enables the 84 plaintiffs to avail benefits, including free medical care given to the other survivors. Hiroshima was attacked by the United States with the help of an atomic bomb on August 6, 1945. Another atomic bomb was used on Nagasaki 3 days later on August 9. The explosions caused by the bombs and the resultant firestorms are believed to have killed around 80,000 people in Hiroshima and around 40,000 people in Nagasaki. Thousands others died in both cities in the following years due to their exposure to radiation from the blast and also from the black rain that fell after the explosions. In today's edition of our DNS, we will know about black rain and its harmful effects. The atomic bomb destroyed an estimated 69% of the buildings in Hiroshima. The debris and soot from this destruction mixed with the radioactive fallout from the bomb. It rose high into the atmosphere in the form of a mushroom cloud. This material combined with the vapor in the atmosphere and came down as dark drops of liquid that has been called black rain. Survivors of the black rain described it as consisting of large, greasy drops that are much heavier than normal raindrops. Witnesses of this disastrous event says that they saw many desperate survivors of the blast with their skins burnt and severely dehydrated, drinking the dark fluid to quench their thirst. The atomic blast had caused some severe problems to the people and also the animals of Hiroshima. Black rain is full of highly radioactive material, and studies reveal that exposure to it can result in serious illnesses. A study conducted in the year 1945 itself showed that black rain had come down as far as 29 kilometers away from ground zero. The rain contaminated everything it came in contact with. Dead fish were reported floating in water bodies, and severely ill cattle were seen lying in the fields. Black rain had caused acute radiation symptoms in many who were exposed to it, with reports of people suffering from nausea and diarrhea for weeks. Other acute radiation symptoms include fever, sore throat, and loss of hair. Over the time, many people who were exposed to black rain have developed cancer. The bomb that was dropped on Nagasaki was more powerful than the one that was dropped on Hiroshima, but it killed fewer people and its effects were confined to a smaller area. The effect of the bomb was less due to its geographical position between hills. Even the blast in Nagasaki did not produce firestorms due to the damaged area not producing enough fuel to trigger one. This meant that the material that make up black rain was less in Nagasaki as compared to Hiroshima, and consequently the rain was confined to a smaller area. In 1976, the Japanese government used the 1945 data to demarcate the area in Hiroshima within which people could claim to have been affected by black rain and can be recognized as survivor of the nuclear blast. This meant that people who lived in that area during the time of the Black Rain could avail free medical care and other benefits if they showed symptoms related to radiation exposure. Some studies conducted later on have argued that people who were not living in these areas at the time of the Black Rain but later moved there could also be affected by the radioactive contamination caused by the rain. In the year 2015, 84 plaintiffs went to court against the restrictions placed on being recognized as hibakusha, the Japanese term for the survivors of the nuclear blast. They were able to prove that they suffered medical conditions caused by the Black Rain, even though they were not in government demarcated area at the time of the rain. Recently, the Hiroshima District Court recognizes them as a hibakusha and gives hope to many others that the decision may pave the way for the government to reconsider the limits it has set on who can be considered a survivor of the atomic bomb.